Why did I choose Assumption? Because I graduated from Assumption grade school, high school, and college.
Wow, loyal awardee.
So, loyalist to the max. Yung na-instill sa akin ng Assumption na transfer ko rin sa mga anak ko. My daughter who is now here, she's my 5th and she's my youngest. She has an ate who is now a doctor and is now in hospital ng Makati as an ENT doctor. When I asked her, why do you want it in OSMAC? Why not in Makati? Why not in St. Luke's? She said, Mom, I can do more in a government hospital. And I learned also that I saw it in her, yung tinuturo ng Assumption na others before self. Nakita ko sa kanya, not because kinikwento niya sa akin, yung mga pasyente na pumupunta sa bahay, may daladalang itlog, may daladalang prutas. And I asked, why? Bakit po kayo nagbibigay? Kasi po, ay baka magalit si doktora. Bakit nga po kayo nagdadala? Hindi po naman, okay naman po na hindi kayo magdala. Hindi po, binibigyan po kami ni doktora ng pambili ng gamot. Wow. Hindi rin sinasabi ng anak ko, and I'm so grateful. So yun lang, I appreciate the fact that natutunan nila yung mga ganitong traits from Mother Mary Eugenie, from our Assumption nuns here. Maraming salamat po sa Assumption.
Thank you very much. No, truly academic excellence for service.